you laugh, I don't. If I'm gonna laugh you, if I'm gonna silly. And man, if you don't know how I'm much taller, if you know. When I go to sleep, don't hear me, so tip me over gently and pull me out. And run and say to Mommy, this one is called Santa Snow Reindeer.
Really?
And his snow planes.
Oh, okay.
Santa Snow Planes, if you know. If you laugh, I don't love you. It's a lot of good stuff to do. If you laugh, I don't love you. Goodness, I swear my I know. I'm soon No. Mommy, now can I read yours?
You want to go play doctor?
Now can